Your legal questions, his expert answers. Now it's time for Getting Legal with Tim Misny.
When it matters, make it Misny. He'll make a bang.
I'm sitting here with Tim Misny. He's the most recognizable lawyer in Northeast Ohio. Plus, we all know his slogan, make 'em pay. How about we make Tim answer your questions? Here's a personal question for you. What was the funniest thing that has ever happened to you as a lawyer?
Well, it's a tie. Many moons ago, as a young prosecutor, I stated to the judge the criminal charges against the defendant. The judge asked the defendant what his plea was. The defendant responded by saying, "Your Honor, I don't know. I haven't heard all the evidence yet." The second happened years later when I was representing a gentleman in a claim against RTA. I stood before the judge in an open courtroom and I was expounding to the judge that how I was going to crush RTA. The RTA lawyer leaned over and whispered in my ear, "Tim, your fly's open."
Oh, gosh. What was your biggest victory?
About 16 years ago, I represented a woman whose husband tragically was killed as an employee of RTA. He was working on the rapid transit train tracks. A train came through, struck him, and killed him. I was able to prove that when RTA brought in private contractors to work on the train track lines, RTA, put up red warning flags. However, when they put their own employees out on the train track lines, they never bothered. As a result of this case, RTA now, I'm happy to report, puts red warning flags up all the time for all their employees, making their job a much safer one.
So you made them pay.
Yes, I did.
If you'd like your questions answered, you can log on to 19actionnews.com or tune in next Friday for Getting Legal with Tim Misny. Thank you, Tim.
This has been Getting Legal with Tim Misny, sponsored by the law offices of Timothy P. Misny.